How you doing, baby? How you doing?
Okay.
So you broke your first cup tonight. How do you feel about that? Okay, so what are we doing?
We're packing snacks for a road trip. But
Yeah.
actually, we pack snacks for every trip we go on with the kids because it gives them freedom to eat snacks when they want. We don't have to worry about them. They don't have to ask us for snacks. It just makes road trips and any trip easier.
Okay, so that's what we do. We have these large gallon bags, and each child gets their own portion. And adults.
This is not just for kids.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And so we pack snacks, we separate it out, and it's so much cheaper if you get these snacks going ahead of time instead of every time the kids on the road like, oh, I want a snack, oh, I want this, I want that. So we know what the kids like, and we pick out the different snacks for them, and that's what we're doing now. We're leaving in the morning, and right now we're packing snacks.
We get to choose a snack, so we can choose how non-nutritious or nutritious they are. Right now we're packing goldfish and Nutri-Grain bars, but we're also do like pretzels or applesauce packs, whatever we can find around the house or decide for a trip.
Yeah, that's what we normally do, pretzels, and I think we have some of those. I'll go get some pretzels. So another thing that we do is we have what we call travel backpacks. And these are the kids' backpacks. This is a travel backpack. It's an old school backpack. They have different backpacks for school, but they know each child has their own travel backpack. And let's open it up and see what we have in it. Okay, so in this travel backpack, which because we're tight on space, we're only gonna take 2 instead of 4, we have the Gruffalo artist pad, because 2 of my kids really like to draw. So we have the Gruffalo artist pad. I'm gonna put this back. We have, I think this is, I don't know, one of the Donald Duck. This is not Donald Duck. This is one of the little ones. Huey, Louie,
and Dewey.
Yeah, one of Scrooge McDuck's grandkids or something. And we have, this is the oldest teddy bear that we have. This is called Ho Ho. Ho Ho has been around for a very long time. We have Bluey. Matthew must have packed most of this. Here's Peppa, and I think George is in here, and George. And so when we're going to be in the car for a really long time, they have this backpack. They pack their things in it. We don't tell them what to put in there, but think like, hey, we're going to be in the car for 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Pack what you want to be in the car with you that you can have fun with.
Our newest addition for packing for the holiday is we have to pack for the twins. So right now I'm getting the bottles ready. I have to have 4 bottles for each baby. And then I have to pack all their clothing, all the items that we'll need on the road. Luckily, since we're doing a road trip, if I forget something, I don't feel too bad because I can just stop at a grocery store. Oh, I think I just heard Mackenzie crying, so I gotta go find her, make sure she's okay, and put everybody to bed.
Also, each one of our kids have their own little suitcase. They're all different colors. That way they don't get mixed up. I know a lot of people think get all the suitcases one color and then put a tag on them. No, we do different colors for each child. The other one is a red. But again, we're tight on space, so we're going to try to pack this down into 2 suitcases. Right now we're at 4. They're all the same design. This is American Tourister is the company. And we picked these up at Costco, right? So we picked these up at Costco a couple years ago. They go really well. Also, if we need to go where we don't take luggage, we just do carry-ons. These are also perfect size for carry-ons. But this is what the kids have. They all have their own suitcases. They all have their own backpacks. And they're really responsible. And they love moving with their own suitcases. So when we're packing these suitcases, what I tell the kids is, I know how many days we're going to be gone. So I'll say, hey, you need 1 sleep set. You need 2 pair of pants. You need this many pair of underwear. You need this many undershirts, this many socks. And then over the next 2 hours or so, they wander down, they pack their bag the first time. Then Blair and I go through the bag with them to make sure they have all those essentials in there. And after that, we kind of zip them up. But it tends to go pretty fast.
Tonight, it actually only took about 30 minutes because we've done it with them several times now. So now it doesn't take as long, and they go and get exactly what we want them to wear, understand what coats they're going to wear, what clothing they're going to wear in the morning. So it goes much quicker than it did before.
Right. You're right. It is speeding up. They're getting a little older, and then they know the process as well. And so that's packing. As I mentioned, we're leaving in the morning. It's pretty late. Malachi is sound asleep. This baby is always asleep. He is the most calm and gentle baby, but we do have a wild child. because we're going to be spending so much time in the car tomorrow, I'm letting the kids stay up a little later. Oh my gosh, what did you guys do to the playroom up here?
What?
This is a disaster. Oh, you're cleaning this up. But where Malachi is asleep, his twin is wide awake. Here she is. Hey, Kenzie. How you doing, baby? We have a Connect 4 competition going on. And we have some Kung Fu Panda being played here. It's pretty late. Kenzie, you stink. I'm pretty sure it's you. I hope it's you.
Is it you?
It better be her, because if it's either one of y'all to smell like that, we got problems. Oh, don't get it. Hey, how you doing, baby? How you doing?
Okay.
So you broke your first cup tonight. How do you feel about that? Okay. Just
Finally.
oh, hold on. Trey, you let her block you.
Failure.
Oh yeah! Wait, what? Got way up, yeah. Everybody does. Okay. I beat you.
Come on.
And the what?
So close, Trey. So close.
Yet so far.
Don't. They think you hit me a
Can you get the
what?
yellow piece behind you? Okay. Go.
Oh god.
Oh, you guys are.
Have these.
You're down to your last 3 Connect 4 pieces.
You better combo out.
I'm really invested in this game now.
Trey. Come on.
Mine.
You know what you gotta do.
Let's go. Come on, Trey.
My chance is out. Beating you up.
And Connect 4. There you go. Yes, Trey wins. Trey wins.
No, that's too close. That's too close.
Nah. Yes, I
So who's winning over here?
I am mostly me because I got monkey on somebody else. I only got like 2. Yeah, you got like 2 kills. Oh,
You guys ready to go on a trip tomorrow?
Yes.
yeah.
You excited?
Yeah, I don't know where we're going.
I told you where we're going.
Cornwall. Getting where we're going. It's Cornwall. It's
Cornwall.
Cornwall. It's Cornwall. I call.
Wait, no, it's not.